Hey, it's McKayla, and today I'm going to show you a super sleek and modern side braid. This is a super fun braid for running errands for the day, and it is quick and easy. To start out, you're going to grab a rectangle section and split it into 3 equal pieces. We are going to be doing a Dutch braid today, so you're going to grab each outside piece and fold it under the middle. With each piece that you fold in, you're going to be adding more hair. Continue all the way down, bringing each outside piece to the middle, basically the opposite of a French braid. Once you are at the bottom, grab an elastic and start loosening the braid. I can't wait to see what you guys create, so be sure to tag me and hashtag your looks by putting hashtag side braid and hashtag monatbymckaylabee. Bee. And of course, do not forget the refinish hairspray to finish off the look.